I've always liked to play with fire.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off Hey You Guys. It's a 200-gram cake by World Class Fireworks, as you see. Love the graphics on the packaging. If you are a cat lover, you're going to love this cake. But anyways, here's some of the performance, some of the pictures of what it does. As you see, if you guys want to pause the video, you guys can read that. 12 shots, 200-gram cake, 90 feet, 6 out of 10 for noise, vertical firing pattern, and 25-second duration. And this is what the tube layout looks like. In my opinion, they should have added this to more tubes to make it a 16 shot instead of a 12 shot, but that's just me. Pretty good, decent sized tubes though. But anyways, let's demo off Hey You Guys, 12 shot by World Class Fireworks. All right, here we go. Here's Hey You Guys, 12 shot by World Class. Hey You Guys. Not bad, really good cake.